I just got a box from my agency. Ironically, I was literally just about to run out of this and order another one, so good thing I waited. What is this thing? Oh, it's a... Is this a belly belt? I never used one, so I don't even know. It is. It's one of those little belly belts, I'm assuming. I don't know, it kind of looks like a fanny pack. I'll have to figure that out. This looks like a picture frame. It is a picture frame. How cute. It's a little picture frame. It says love at first sight, where you put the sonogram in. I might give this to the IP because that's just adorable.